One. Hi, everybody. We would love to welcome you. I'm Dr. Brian, and I'm here with my colleague,
Lisa Marie.
Lisa Marie. We're here to invite you to 7 steps to mental fitness and maintaining weight loss. We want to help you eliminate emotional saboteurs that hijack your health and weight loss goals. We want to help you get to peak performance. We want to help you finish the year strong. And we want to help you stop yo-yo dieting. We're going to show you some techniques. And with my background and Lisa's, so I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a one-time loser and a one-time winner. I had weight loss surgery in 2011 with the lap band, and I lost the weight. It was great. Then I thought I had it, but I didn't change up here. So I didn't gain the weight back. I gained the weight back, and I got up to 380. When you join us November 4th at 8:30 Pacific, I'll show you those pictures. And I've kept 180 pounds off now for 7.5 years. I know the emotional secret sauce. And the reason Lisa Marie is here is she's the one who started me on the journey when I researched the gastric sleeve. Amazing weight loss videos and mindset on YouTube. So check Lisa Marie out. What would you like to add, Lisa?
I agree. There's nothing harder on our mental health than thinking there's never going to be a win, or we're never going to have success or change. And the yo-yo diet is all of us, whether you've had bariatric surgery or not. Everybody's done this with their weight, but we have a little secret and it works. It's amazing. It's going to blow your mind that you can actually maintain your weight through any holiday, through any circumstance, through any life change, just by understanding the mental fitness and keeping that healthy thought process over these crazy saboteurs that affect all of us in so many different ways.
You mean the judge
Yeah, the judge is the main culprit. Darn him or
and the
her.
controller?
So many. And
Stickler
the
and the
stickler's
pleaser.
hard, the pleaser and the avoider. Oh my gosh, we can go on and on. There's actually a pretty nice list of them, but once we start telling you about them and you see these different traits and character traits, you'll be like, oh my gosh, I have that one. Oh my gosh, I have that one. And that's okay. Just because you have them all doesn't mean that they are going to win. We're going to teach you how to win over them.
And literally what we're talking about is emotional mastery, a system that you can implement that will take your stress levels from way up here, the economy, your business, layoffs, family stress, last minute visitors, the oven breaks during Thanksgiving, whatever the stressors are, we're going to help you reduce them. Both Lisa and I went through the program. We're now getting certified, and we know this works, and we're backed up by 25 years of factor analysis at Stanford University. So join us when? November 4th, 8:30 Pacific. We're going to make it happen, 90 minutes, and we guarantee you will walk out of the workshop with tools to reduce your stress and specific tips. Additionally, we will make you a special offer to take you through the end of the year and into January to help you attain your best self, peak performance, better relationships, better wellness and health. And you don't have to be a weight loss surgery patient. You can just want to stop yo-yo dieting, or you can tell everybody you know, just reduce those emotional stressors and have a better end of the year and beginning of 2024. We want to invite you to try it. Join us, register down here, and we'll see you November 4th. Have a great day. Thanks, Lisa. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.